This burger literally looks perfect. I am so ready to dig in. I've literally never seen a bigger onion ring. Sadly, the fries are not crunchy at all. So good.
my goodness, you guys, I'm so full. The Coke is spicy.
It's Pepsi.
The Pepsi is spicy.
All right, y'all, today I'm trying Buffalo Wild Wings. Got their honey sriracha and their honey garlic. Honey garlic is too good. It's got that kick towards the end. And the glaze, I'm about to be glazing Buffalo Wild Wings. Then the honey sriracha comes in, that spicy, sweet sriracha. E-Dubs wings are a little bit crispier than Wingstop's. Honey lineup is one of the best. Got a nice amount of meat to them. Some fries. Cheese curds. I don't know what this sauce is. It smells like honey or caramel. I'm not sure if they meant to put this in my order. Some more curds. Next to their bird dog. This is chicken strip in between a glizzy bun. It's got cheese, onions, I think some of their spicy mayo. I would want a crispier glizzy bun, also a realer piece of chicken. Next to their bacon hatch chili burger, 2 smashed patties, packed with jalapenos and some more chopped jalapenos. This looks like mayo, I hope. Love how glazed their buns are. Actually got a little bit of spice. The edges are crispy because they smashed the bacon into the patties. So got the brisket tacos. The tortilla is hard and stale. It's supposed to be street brisket tacos. Should have kept this in the house. And the barbecue sauce touches the guac. Just don't know which one to taste. I give B-Dubs 8.0. I think we all know this by now. Just go here for the wings. Like it, I approve, and yes, I would try it again.
Onion rings. B-Dubs new flavor, buffalo bacon. Blue cheese. Honey barbecue. Ranch. Southwest Ranch. Trying to balance my health, so I got celery. Baby fingers. A sandwich.
Today I got Buffalo Wild Wings. Alright, I need another bite without all that ranch on it. This burger tastes regular, it's not bad though. Will I ever get that burger again? I don't think so. If it's for free, yep. These they onion rings. Okay, the onion rings is pretty solid. This the blazing. Yeah, that blazing got a kick to it. I recommend only if you like spicy foods. If not, stay away from it. This they mango habanero. I like the mango habanero one, but let me eat a drum for y'all drummers. Here go a drummer. It got a kick to it afterwards.